Only way out of here is through me.
Fair warning, this'll hurt.
Glad we understand each other.
Don't get in my way.
This is an intervention.
Kryptonians don't give up on family. Why are you so angry with Cal?
How could you not know?
I spent the last 30 years in cryo-sleep.
Only way out of here is through me.
You can't stop me.
Thanks for being stupid enough to try. Got no problem beating you down.
Good thing I'm invincible.
A challenge this gal can't resist. That look isn't working.
The name is Supergirl.
Then get ready for me to kick some ass. Any more Kryptonians here?
2 are all we need.
Wrong. It's too many.
You're coming at me a little hot.
Now I'll come at you loud.
I didn't come here for the music.
It can't be you, Dinah.
I have the heat vision scars to prove it.
You shouldn't have come back. Heard you coming a mile away.
Wait till you hear me close up.
It'll be the last sound you make.
If it weren't for fate, you'd have killed me.
You tried to kill me first.
Fine. This is the rubber match. Another girl's always a good thing.
I can't argue with that.
Too bad I don't trust your family.
Ran right back to Bruce, didn't you?
I should have been back a lot sooner.
Turning on me is a big mistake.
I've made those ears bleed, Clark.
Didn't stop me, did it?
This time the volume's going up to 11.
You don't look like a hero.
Sorry to disappoint you.
I'm way more of a sun and fun girl.
We both knew it'd come to this.
You want to be crippled for life?
My fists have a better idea.